know I'm looking a little bit crazy, but I just wanted to show you guys the products, you know, and what comes in it. This is what the box looks like, and it is the Frost and Glow Revlon Color Effects, and it is for blonde to light brown hair. It comes with the blonde highlighting powder, which is this packet. It's basically the bleaching product. It also comes with the cap and the instruments you will need to pull out your hair. And thirdly, it comes with a moisturizing shampoo and a moisturizing conditioner. And I'm really surprised with this box specifically because it did come with a shampoo, and it's so weird because usually boxes like this only come with the conditioner. So I'm really excited, and especially due to the fact that it says it's a moisturizing shampoo. Obviously it comes with a cream developer, which is right here. The first thing I'm gonna do, oh my god, my cat is laying right there, she looks so cute. But anyways, I'm just gonna take my brush to detangle my hair before starting. So we're just gonna brush out our tangles. We are going to put your hair in the front and put the cap on. And I'm gonna look funny. You know what, it's okay, because we're gonna look nice. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the cap on, and I like to make sure, like, I don't know if you guys notice, but once I put it on, it kind of goes back up. And to avoid that, I'm definitely, let's see, I don't know if to tie it in the front or in the back. No, definitely in the front. So just make sure your hair is this way, so that way when you need it and you pull it through, it will be available for you. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I do some of them, and then I guess I'll fast forward the video just so that you guys are not, like, you know, stuck watching me do this for hours, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be here for like a good hour and a half. So what I like to do is grab the little hook. That little hook is what's gonna grab your hair. So I have a mirror right in front of me, but what I like to do is start from the front and pull. Look how easy that was. And sometimes you will get like a little knot like this, and what I like to do is just whoop, easy. And then I literally just keep going all over my head until I have highlights. But I'm gonna show you guys again, at least the front, so you guys get a handle. So you just put it through, grab the hair. But obviously, since my hair is all grown out here, I want to focus on these areas. Actually, keep going, and then I'll show you guys when I have majority of the front ready. Hey guys, so I actually just finished taking all of these strands of hair out of my head basically. And I changed my shirt because I am now going to be messing with the bleach, and I didn't want to get my other shirt dirty. But basically this is what it looks like when you're done. I literally look like a lion. I'm now gonna go ahead and read the instructions, do the mixture, and show you guys how to do that. Entire bottle of this 20 volume in this little bucket that they provide you with, and mix the entire blonde highlighting powder inside the little container. So what I literally did was put my my hair half up and half down. Half up is gonna get bleached, half down, which is the little bun in the back, that's what's not gonna get bleached. Putting the bleach, I feel like it's really simple. The hardest part is taking out the strands of hair. So once you've got to this step, just like me, focus on the upper top first, because I think the ends of your hair turn lighter faster. So yeah, if anything, leave this to the end. So I'm going to show you guys now. Hey guys, I actually just got done putting it all over my hair, And this is a close-up for all of you guys. Yeah, right now it's actually in the plastic bag that the product bought, and I'm gonna leave it on, I'd say for about 20 minutes, but obviously keeping an eye on it. When I see that I have reached a color that I desire, I will be taking it off.